Hey everyone, it's Super Time Rosme. I just want to give a huge shout out to Chaosemeraldstar for making Luigi's Secret Fridge. And YouTube, please do not copyright me. I am just a fan of Chaosemeraldstar, and I really loved Luigi's Secret Fridge as a video, and so I just want to remake it. I will change some things up so I won't get copyrighted. There will be no music, because I have no idea how to edit music. But anyways, thank you for watching my channel, and huge shout out to Chaosemeraldstar again. Let's get on with the remake. Super Italian bros, me. Just some alone time with me, the fridge, and some girls. Oh yeah.
Hey, what do you think you're doing with my fridge?
What do you mean it's your fridge? I'm the one who installed it. No, why? Just put it. What the?
You can use the fridge and do one condition. You can't use it on those.
Okay, Luigi, seriously, I won't open them weekends, I swear.
But I swear, things will be good for you and me.
Luigi, your breath smells like Doritos.
You understand? You've been warned, buddy. Just let that door close.
Friday. Is this not soda?
What day is it?
It's Friday.
Well done.
I need a soda.
Take as much as you want.
Luigi, I need a soda, though.
Hey. Look at me. So did you.
A Coke would be nice. Luigi, why is he in the fridge?
I caught him in the middle of something. Now scream.
Okay.
I
Hey! Excuse me? What makes you think you can open my fridge on a weekend? Is it the weekend already? It's the time goes by so fast.
No soda.
What?
No sodas today. What did you do?
Luigi, I'm sorry.
Take the letter and just drive.
Okay.
Go somewhere far away. They're coming. So,
What? What's up? Okay. What do we need to do?
grab a gun.
What? Oh my! Oh.
Load it.
Okay.
Prepare for killing.
Oh, I'm gonna kill someone. Oh, I'm pretty nervous. Let's go. Oh, here we go. Ah! All right, babe. Let's go into the garage. Let's go. Close. Okay. We're all good now. Okay. Just drive far away, just like Luigi said. Okay, I think this is it. Okay. I wonder how Luigi's doing. All right, babe. Check the freezer. Phew! Oh, I thought there was a bomb in there. All right, babe. Check the fridge. There's gotta be popsicles or something.
Alright. Bubbles.
Bring it on, Ramos. Luigi, I lied about my wife being dead. And I still have ammo.
Looks like we're all coming back from the den.
Who the heck is that? I'm your worst nightmare.
What the heck is going on here?
Looks like we got a country-style duel here, boys.
Oh, screw this.
Drop the bomb. It's time.
Wait, what, honey?
We're all gonna die. Good night, streaks forever.
Why would you do such a thing?
Listen, I'll buy you ice cream. Oh, yeah. We'll be dead. I need your phone, Yoshi. If you saw anything behind the scenes, don't worry about it. That was a big mistake. Anyways, back to the video. I need to call Mario. Oh, I'm getting a call. Hello? Mario, listen, there's a bomb coming. I just need you to know that. What do you mean there's a bomb? What? Listen, Mario, it's for the safety of the public. Just remember, it's always the fridge. It's just the fridge. Boop, 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 boop. Luigi? Luigi! Luigi? Wait, how was our house survived? What the? Da, 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 da. Whoa, Luigi, you're alive? Luigi, how are you alive?
Well, I heard this thing from Indiana Jones. And I'm like, why do I do that?
Luigi, you're a genius, Luigi.
I am. Nothing like a nuclear bomb to make you thirsty. Oh. Oops. Can you give me a towel from upstairs?
Yeah, sure. Hey guys, just to let you know, thank you so much for watching this fan remake. There might have been some mistakes or missed things, like when Mario yeets the sprite and completely misses Luigi. We were planning to do that with a Coke, and we completely forgot the scene.
Yeah,
That was supposed to be for Friday.
Yeah, and just so you know, I participated.
Yeah, she was some of the T-posing people in the back. If you guys saw her, she was in the car there. She was right here for the one scene. But thank you guys so much for watching this video. Sorry for the mistakes. That one part where it was Luigi, it didn't cut correctly. Sorry for that.
And that's why we weren't able to do like where
the person was
like,
T-posing in the back of the truck. Yeah, we
weren't able to do that.
We didn't have a third person, and we didn't have the truck in them.
So that's why I just did it in.
Yeah, she was in 2 scenes for maybe 3 for the T-posing. Oh yeah, when Mario was running through here, you were right there, just doing the T-pose in the car, and she was right there for Luigi talking on the phone to Mario. But thank you so much for watching this video.
Guys, kids, just so you know, do not do the T-pose.
Thank you all for watching this video. Make sure to comment, like, and subscribe. Go comment, like, and subscribe to Chaosemeraldstar. We'll see you guys all later.
Bye.
Bye.